Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong on Google Maps. You click on settings. Here on this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to Google Maps and you can enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.